So you emphasize heart brain coherence in your teachings.
Yeah.
How can people start to incorporate this practice into their daily lives?
Yes. So you'll want to go to the HeartMath Institute. It's heartmath.org. They have the most brilliant researchers and scientists that have proven the vastness of the heart and the energy field of the heart and the intelligence of the heart. So we have a culture that's heavily reliant on the brain as
Mm,
the most intelligent organ, but actually, I would argue no, the heart is the more intelligent. And so when we have coherence between brain waves and heart frequency, we don't have any like wasted energy. We have
mm,
this beautiful state of being steady, of being calm, of being centered, of being connected, and being receptive. And the HeartMath Institute teaches what they call a quick coherence technique, which I
mm.
can take you through now
Yeah,
if you
absolutely.
want. Yeah. Um, and this is what I use before, sometimes before I channel, or if I'm
Mm,
going into a difficult situation, it just helps everything to come back into coherence. So what you do is you close your eyes and you just connect to your breath. So you just breathe, that's it. And imagine that as you breathe in, you're breathing in through the front of your heart. Just imagine that. And you are exhaling out the back of your heart. And so, with every in breath in through the front of the heart, with every out breath out through the back of your heart. And if you are able to and would like to, you can place a hand or two hands over your heart. And as you breathe like this, imagine someone or something or some place that you adore. It could be a person, it could be an animal, it could be your favorite spot by the river, somewhere outdoors, an ancestor or loved one, anything, anyone that you absolutely love. And then just center your focus on them and send them this loving energy that you are feeling and feel it being beamed back to you from them. Feel all the love, all the peace, all the gratitude and appreciation for this thing or this being in your life as you breathe. And just take a few more nice, slow, easy breaths, basking in this gratitude and appreciation and love. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes.
oh, that was beautiful. I love that.
Yeah.
I love that. I had this vision of like my heart be like in the back. I love that.
Yeah, exactly. Like exhale it. Right. I
I
know
love
it's
it.
if we can give the brain something else to focus on besides our
Yes.
thoughts, right? Like, and imagining breathing through the heart, we don't really usually imagine that. So the brain's like,
So
oh,
true.
okay, let me try to do that. So
So
yeah,
true.
beautiful.
I love that. So you teach others how to access their own intuitive gifts. What is the biggest misconception that people have about channeling and intuition?
That only some people can do it.
Mm.
Most people believe that this is a gift that's only bestowed upon a select few. And I call BS on that. Because all of us have intuition, and that's the place that channeling comes from and through is the place of intuition. That's why it's called intuitive channeling. And we all have a heart and we all have an imagination, and those are the three components that are necessary to be a channel. And if you want to be a clear channel and a channel of the highest vibrational loving frequency, as I am and as I teach, then you will devote yourself to practicing that and
Absolutely.
to clearing yourself of the heaviness and the negativity and even the relationships that don't serve you anymore.